Want to use WoW add-ons on Linux, but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First, we need to find where World of Warcraft is installed. If you're not sure where it is, open a terminal with Ctrl, Alt, and T, and use this command to locate your World of Warcraft folder. Depending on which version of WoW you installed, you'll see Retail, Classic, or Classic Era. Once you find the World of Warcraft directory, remember this path. You'll need it later. Now, let's start with manual add-on installation. Open your browser and go to CurseForge. Search for an add-on, for example, Rarescanner, and download it as a zip file. By default, it will be saved in your Downloads folder. Next, extract the zip file. If your Linux system uses the Dolphin File Manager, you can split the view into two panes to make moving files easier. Navigate to your World of Warcraft installation. Then go to Retail Interface and Add-ons. Move the extracted add-on folder directly into the add-ons directory. Now go back into World of Warcraft and type /reload. Open the add-ons menu and make sure the add-on is enabled. To test it, open the world map, pick a location, and you will see where the rare mobs are. If you ever want to remove a manually installed add-on, simply delete its folder. Now let's move on to automatic add-on installers. There are two popular options, WowUp and CurseForge. Both work well on Linux, but I personally prefer WowUp because it uses fewer resources. Download the app image versions for Linux. This is the safest and most portable option. For CurseForge, you have Deb version as well, which is on Debian distros like Ubuntu or Mint. Once the downloads are complete, open a terminal in your Downloads folder and list the files with ls command. You'll notice that the app images are not executable yet. Make them executable using the chmod command. After that, you can run them directly. When you first launch WowUp on Linux, it won't automatically detect World of Warcraft. You'll need to add the game manually. Browse to your World of Warcraft installation folder and select the main directory where the executable file is. Once this is done, WowUp will recognize your retail installation. You can now search for add-ons and install them. For example, let's install Trade Skill Master. After installing an add-on, return to the game and type /reload. You should now see the add-on working. On Linux, the Trade Skill Master desktop app is not available. This means Option B pricing data is not updated automatically. To work around this, open the TSM settings in game, adjust the tooltip price sources, and scan the auction house manually. Over time, TSM will build pricing data for your realm. Now let's take a look at the CurseForge app. The setup process is very similar. Launch the app image, manually point it to your World of Warcraft installation, and install add-ons from the app. After installing an add-on, reload the UI in-game and confirm that it works. Finally, let's organize the apps and create desktop shortcuts. These app images do not install themselves system-wide. I recommend creating an applications folder and moving the app images there. To create a desktop shortcut, right-click on your desktop and choose Create New, then link to Application. Set the name, add a comment, and browse to the app image location. You can also assign a custom icon for your liking. Once the shortcut is created, clicking it will launch the app directly. You can do this for WowUp, CurseForge, or any other app image. And that's it. You now know how to install World of Warcraft add-ons. Use whichever option you like. Thank you for watching and see you next time.